Hello everyone. In previous lecture we have seen about IoT, what is Raspberry Pi, then FPGA and all. So आज के lecture में we are going to see ARM architecture. It's launched 2005. Yeah, ARM architecture launched हुआ 2005. It's designed by ARM Holding. ARM architecture has 64-bit support to architecture with efficient implementation. It has 32-bit software. It also consumes low power. ये क्या consume करता है? Low power. So to extend the performance को extend करने के लिए consume करता है low power. ARM has three different products. Means we support ARM architecture: high performance, high efficiency, and ultra high efficiency. ARM has larger set of general purpose register and media instruction. It has a greater addressing range and cryptography instruction. The instruction Internet of Things required solution that allow for the creation of product adapted to the specific constraint of the market: security, power, efficiency, standard based communication, and scalability. ARM provides software. मतलब ARM ये क्या provide करता है? Software solution and pre-integrate subsystem to enable it partnership to quickly design and deploy secure IoT nodes. The ARM Map IoT device platform able the creation, connection, and management of IoT device. Okay, ARM is I said that about ARM IoT device platform provides the operating system, cloud services, tools, and developer ecosystem to make the creation and deployment of commercial standard based Internet of Things. ये क्या provide करती है? OS, cloud services, and then tools and development system. Okay, ARM is full form is a Acron RISC machine. It's a later called Advanced RISC machine. पहले इसको बोलते थे Acron RISC machine, then इसको अभी नाम आया है Advanced RISC machine. Is a family of reduced instruction set computing. Okay, then British company called ARM Holding, developed by architecture and licensed in other companies. Okay, ARM first name is Acron RISC machine. Then it's developed by this ARM Holding is developed by British. It also design basic thing that implement instruction set. मतलब ये basic things के लिए design किया जो instruction का मतलब it's also design basic things. वो basic things that implement instruction set. कोई भी instruction set को implement करने के लिए इसमें कुछ basic things भी design की गई है. Okay. Then processors that have RISC architecture typically require fewer transistors than those with complex instruction set. Okay, then Raspberry Pi along with GPU. Okay, अभी हमें पता है कि Raspberry Pi हमने already study किया था कि what is Raspberry Pi, how it's work, the मतलब Raspberry Pi कैसे यूजफुल है प्रोजेक्ट में से प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कैसे यूजफुल किया जा सकता है, बहुत डिटेल्स हमने सीखी. लेकिन एक्चुअल में रास्पबेरी पाई का वर्क क्या है, वो कैसे इंस्टॉल होता है, वो कैसे यूज होता है, लेट्स सी. बट फर्स्ट सी रास्पबेरी पाई, दिस इज रास्पबेरी पाई. ओके, और ये जो आप देख रहे हो इसको देखो, इट्स कॉल्ड GPIO. ओके, रास्पबेरी पाई में GPIO है ना, इसको GPIO बोलते हैं. अब रास्पबेरी पाई मतलब यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज रास्पबेरी पाई. ओके, तो यहाँ पे एक UART है, देन इसमें SPI एंड what UART SPI is given in GPIO. So we will see what is GPI and UART and SPI. So Raspberry Pi, let's take revision of Raspberry Pi. ये Raspberry Pi एक मिनी साइज क्रेडिट कार्ड टाइप सिस्टम होता है. ये इजी होता है, कहीं भी मतलब इसको हम कहीं पे भी लेके जा सकते हैं और इसको कनेक्ट करने के लिए वी जस्ट रिक्वायर मॉनिटर, देन टीवी. We can install in laptop also, but we need HDMI cable, then charge cable, चार्जर मतलब चार्जर से भी चालू हो सकता है इसका कनेक्शन. ओके, तो इसमें UART यूनिवर्सल असिंक्रोनस रिसीवर is a piece of computer hardware that translate data between parallel and serial form. SPI serial peripheral, मतलब SPI, okay, it's called serial peripheral interface. Bus is asynchronous serial communication interface. Specification used for short distance communication. GPI, GPIO, general purpose input output, is generic pin on integrated circuit whose behavior, including whether it is an input or output pin, can be controlled by the user at runtime. Raspberry Pi board has 40 GPI pin. GPIO मतलब general purpose input output pins. Okay, so it's showing figure. ओके, हाउ टू इंस्टॉल रास्पबेरी। जब आप एक रास्पबेरी अपनी रास्पबेरी पाई में इंस्टॉल करते हैं ना, तो ऐसा शो होता है। ओके, और सी वी कैन एबल टू यूज इट। इसमें पाइथन लैंग्वेज हमने इंस्टॉल होती है जो कि हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं, जिसके थ्रू हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट कैसे इंस्टॉल किया जाता है, पहले हमें डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है सॉफ्टवेयर फाइल को। एक हमें 10 क्लास SD कार्ड हमें बाय करना होता है या कार्ड रीडर। देन उसको हमें फॉर्मेट करना होता है। देन उसमें हमें OS पुट करनी होती है, उसमें कुछ नुक्स फाइल होती है, हमें वो पुट करनी होती है। देन हम अपने रास्पबेरी से कनेक्ट करते हैं। अभी लेट्स सी, मैं आपको एक वीडियो क्लिप के थ्रू समझाती हूँ कि रास्पबेरी पाई कैसे हम इंस्टॉल करते हैं, मतलब आपको प्रैक्टिकल के टाइम पे इजी होगा। ओके,
Raspberry Pi. First take the memory card in which we need to load the Raspbian OS and mount it in the card reader and insert it in the card reader slot in the laptop. First format your memory card. For that we need to use SD card formatter. We can use operating system provided formatting utilities, but that may result in less optimal performance. To download SD formatter, go to sdcard.org and click downloads, and I'm going to download Windows version and scroll down and click accept. Then your download will start. Now the SD formatter is downloaded. Show in folders and unzip this SD formatter. Yeah, we unzipped and we got the setup file and the setup file as an administrator. Next install. Yeah, yes, and in the meantime check the drive which we are going to format. Make sure we are formatting the correct drive, because like if you have formatted some other drives, it will be resulting in the data loss. So we found that H is the correct drive to be formatted. Yeah, finish. No. Open SD formatter. SD formatter is there. Click this. US. Yeah. Make sure we are selecting H drive and boot volume label. Make it as Raspberry Pi and select options. Yeah, quick off. It is correct. You format. Yeah. Now done. Okay. Check the drive. It is formatted. Now it shows 14 GB. That's good. Now we have formatted the SD card. Now we need to download Raspbian from Raspberry Pi official website. For that we need to go to raspberrypi.org. Yeah, and then click downloads. Then click Raspbian. Click download zip. Then click installation guide. You can able to see, scroll down a bit. Windows, click Windows. We need to download Win32 disk imager. The link will be here. Click this. Yeah, and download this. Yeah, Okay, downloaded. Now both the Raspbian OS and Windows 32 disk imager both are downloaded. Now unzip the Raspbian OS, right click, extract here, you'll get a warning, please ignore this. And then in the meantime we will install the Windows 32 disk imager, right click, run as administrator, yes, next, yeah, next, install, yeah, click OK. Then this is extracting. Wait until the extraction is getting completed. Now we unzipped the Raspbian OS and the ISO file is here. Check whether we are in the correct drive. In my system it is H. Now click browse and select the ISO file and click on write. Once complete, take the SD card out. We are done with the SD card load. Now the SD card is loaded with Raspbian OS. Now the write is successful. Check the SD card. Yes. Now the SD card is loaded with Raspbian OS. Click eject and take the SD card out. Now we are ready to mount it in the Raspberry. First take the SD card from the card reader. This is the SD card which we have preloaded with Raspbian OS and place it in the Raspberry. Yeah, yes, check, and make sure we are plugging in the memory card before inserting the power supply. Yeah, now we gave the power supply, the light is glowing, and then now insert the Ethernet cable. Like here is there, and we need to insert the Ethernet cable like this. Yeah, now done. First we have inserted the memory card, then we have gave the power supply, and then we plugged in the Ethernet cable. Now insert the Ethernet cable in the laptop. To connect our Raspberry Pi from laptop, we need Putty. To download Putty, we need to go to the website putty.org. Click here and select putty.exe. Yes. Now your download will start. Yeah, the download is completed now. And also we need Xming server. The Xming server is a X Windows system server for Windows. We need to click here and then click download. Click. Yeah, where Xming server is also downloaded. This is the very important step. Open network and sharing. Yeah. Now click this first one and click properties and click sharing and click allow other network users and also click this, click OK and click close. This is very important step. Without that, we can't connect Raspberry with our laptop. Now we have downloaded the Xming server and Putty. Now we will install Xming and Putty. Click this. Next, 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 install. Yeah. Now our Xming server is started. We can see in the taskbar. Yes. Now our Xming server is started. Now open Putty. Run. Type Raspberry Pi .mshome .net and SSH port number should be 22 and click X11, enable X11 forwarding, localhost /0. Now click session and then give a name for this session, Raspberry, any name as you wish, and click save. We store this session as Raspberry and give open. The default username is Pi and the password is Raspberry. Enter. Yeah. Enter command ls terminal. Yes, successful. Yeah. Now close this. Now give the command start lxde. Yeah. Now we have opened the Raspberry. Yeah, you can see all the buttons, all the things here. Yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If
इसको हमने देखा कि रास्पबेरी कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं. ओके, तो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आई होप कि आप समझ चुके हो कि रास्पबेरी कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं. और जब हम लोग कॉलेज में मिलेंगे तब वी विल सी जस्ट मतलब आपको रास्पबेरी ये कोई प्रैक्टिकल सेशन नहीं है कि आपको रास्पबेरी इंस्टॉल करके प्रैक्टिकल में दिखाना है, पर आपकी नॉलेज के लिए आपको ये पार्ट दिया गया है कि रास्पबेरी कैसे इंस्टॉल करता है. हमें रास्पबेरी इंस्टॉल ऑलरेडी हम लोग करके आपको देते हैं, जस्ट आपको प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करना होता है. ओके, कि मैम हमें तो समझे नहीं रास्पबेरी का, इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस. ओके, बट रास्पबेरी की नॉलेज आपको होनी चाहिए. सो आई हैव शोन दिस वीडियो. ओके, देन इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल सी द प्रैक्टिकल सेशन की एलईडी ऑन ऑफ कैसे होती है, ब्रेडबोर्ड क्या होता है. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू.